guys. It's Monday, May 5th. We're out here at Lake Pontchartrain at the Point Marina. We're going to be fishing Lake Pontchartrain today. Today's conditions. We have clear skies for the most part. Temperature is about 58 degrees this morning, kind of cool. Supposed to get up to about 78. We have winds 4 to 10 miles an hour out of north-northeast. Tides, we had a high tide this morning at 1:26 and a low tide this afternoon at 1:28 p.m. Tidal coefficient was 44. Today's fish bite, we have a major fish bite between 7:06 and 9:06 this morning. That's a 3 fish bite. Water temperature this morning is 75.16 degrees. For all you fisher persons who want to join the next Team JoJo fishing curriculum session, it will be May 17th at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Fatty Seafood in Slidell. Everyone's invited. Please come and join us. We discussed the past month's fishing spots and what we've been using and what we've been catching. Look forward to seeing you there. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and please subscribe. Stay tuned and see how we do today. Alright guys, we hooked up on something trolling this morning. I don't know, yeah, he's still there. He ain't a big one, a small one. If he's still on there, I don't feel like he's still even on there. I don't know. He got off. Now a little flounder. Alright, first thing this morning, little flounder. It's got off. Okay, let's keep going. Into the second one this morning. We're out here trolling to start off with this morning. Figured give it a try. Like a little trout here. Yeah, nice trout. Okay. Alright guys, that's the second one, about 16 inches there. 16 to 17 inches. Oh, this is a nice one here.
Yeah?
Yeah, nah, we don't ever use nets.
Huh?
No, with these treble hooks, we don't use nets. This is a nice one here. Ooh, yeah.
I like it.
That's a nice fish here. He wants to get on the other side. I don't want you on the other side. Hold on, come back this way. 18. Here, he's on a back trailer or something. Yeah, little trout. Trouty wouty. All right, go ahead. All right, another little one. All right, feels like a decent fish. I'm hooked on something else now.
Huh?
He's on there, but I think I'm snagged on something.
All right, we'll just keep a little.
Hey, whoa, okay. Now, use the trolling motor.
Huh?
Use the trolling motor?
You gonna use the trolling?
Yeah. Come on back around. Come on around. He's snagged. He's hooked on something else. He got snagged. Yeah. Feels like a decent fish. You got your line all the way in, right?
Yeah, it's inside the boat.
No, he's on it. Yeah. Good fish. All right, guys, the next 18 right there. Another 18. What you got, Carwin? Another flounder. All right. Hey, that's a nice size flounder there.
You keep him?
Yeah, that'll keep. A little small one. Woo! Baby.
Getting smaller, man.
Yeah, I got hooked into one here, guys. Feels like a small one.
Huh?
I'm talking to the thing. Ooh, and a flounder. Another flounder. Alright guys, a little flounder. Alright guys, we hooked up on something here. Doesn't feel that big. We'll see. Oh, he's on top of the water. That's a little trout. Yeah, see him? I saw him on top of the water out there. Hooked into one here. Yeah, right? Doesn't feel like a big one. No. He might be a keeper at least, I think. He's wiggling like he's a keeper. Come on. Oh, baby. Nah, he's on the big bait, that's why. They fight harder when they're on that big bait. Nah, I don't think he's gonna make it. All right, guys, we got one here. Feels like a decent little puller. Feels like a decent puller. Come on, baby, stay hooked up now. Stay hooked up. Where's he at? Underneath the boat. Come on. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, no wonder you're on that front hook. Oh!
That was about a 3 pound.
That was a good one. That was a big fish.
There you go, buddy.
Good one. Good one, Carwin. Good one. Keeper. All right. That's a nice little keeper. About a 14 and a half, 15. Let's see what he's got. Yeah, a little small one. About a 12 and a half. It's a little tiny one. Yeah, be jumping out the water. Look at him. Go ahead with yourself. Bad self. All right, guys, about a 10 and a half. There you go. You caught one. Little fish. Uh-oh. There you go, got one. Another small one. All right, guys, we done hooked into another small one here. That last trailer. Hey, he's a little bigger than the last one. This one's about 11 and a quarter. And the one. What you got, Colin? That one's getting closer to a keeper. I don't know. Yeah, he might. I think he's 13 and a quarter. Yeah, feels like a decent fish. Yeah, he's got a little fight to him. You got a little fight to him.
Need the net?
Huh?
Need the net?
Well, I don't use nets with this stuff because they get all tangled up in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Yep. All right, on the big one. On the big lure. Good. 17. Alright guys, we're not hooked up here. Feels like a decent fish. Feels like a decent fish. I must be swimming with me or something. Yeah. Felt like he had a lot of pull at the beginning, but let's see. Nah, I'm coming around. There he is. I see him. All right, little guy. Little guy. Little guy with a lot of power. All right, guys, we came in early. Got some things to do this afternoon, so we didn't want to spend the whole afternoon day out there. We ended up with 14 trout, 5 keepers, and 4 flounder, 1 keeper. And that was the day. All we did was troll the whole time. On the LP troll rig. So if you like these videos, please hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and for all you fisher persons looking for the next Team JoJo meeting, it's May 17th at Fatty Seafood from 11 to 1. It's about 2 Saturdays away, so please come and join us. It's open to everyone. We talk about this month's fishing spots and what we caught and how we were catching them. So if you want to learn some spots and locations, come on by. All right, until next time, tight lines.